Ladies and gentlemen, tech lovers, dreamers, and visionaries, welcome to a brand new era of innovation. Globe sparkles. Today, we're standing at the edge of history. Apple has done it again. Yes, you heard that right. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has arrived, and it's not just another phone, it's a revolution in your pocket. Rocket cell phone. Imagine holding a device so powerful, so refined, and so futuristic, that it feels like the future itself has landed in your hands. This is not just a product. This is not just a smartphone. This is the definition of excellence, the symbol of luxury, and the heart of innovation. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. From the very first glance, the design will steal your breath away. A seamless glass body, refined edges, and a brand new sky blue color that shines like the morning sky after rain. Every detail, every curve, every reflection screams perfection. The moment you see it standing tall on a glass table, glowing with elegance, you know, this is not an ordinary phone. This is Apple's masterpiece. But wait, beauty is only the beginning. Under this flawless body lies the most powerful chip ever created, the A19 Pro Bionic. Crafted with next-generation 3nm architecture, it is not just fast, it's lightning. Gaming, multitasking, editing 8K videos, or running the most demanding apps, the iPhone 17 Pro Max doesn't just perform, it dominates. High voltage fire. And then comes the display. Oh, that display. A massive 6.9-inch LTPO OLED with ProMonk 120Hz, brighter, smoother, and sharper than ever before. Watching a movie, it feels like a cinema. Scrolling through your photos, it feels like reliving your memories. Browsing the web, it feels like touching the future. But what about the camera? Because let's be honest, we all want to capture life in its purest form. With the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple has given us a triple 48-megapixel system, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto with 5x zoom. And yes, this beast can record 8K videos with cinematic quality. Whether it's a sunset on the beach, the smile of your loved ones, or the lights of the city at night, every shot, every frame, every detail is simply breathtaking. And for the first time ever, Apple brings reverse wireless charging to the iPhone. Place your AirPods or Apple Watch on the back, and watch the magic happen. Power flows not just to your phone, but from your phone. Because the iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just smart, it's generous. But what truly makes this device stand out is not just the specs, it's the feeling. The feeling of holding a future that billions dream about. The feeling of being part of history. The feeling that you own not just a gadget, but a piece of Apple's vision. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why people stand in lines outside Apple stores for days. This is why millions across the globe wait for September like it's a festival. This is why the iPhone is not just a phone, it's an emotion. Gem. Now imagine this scene. The iPhone 17 Pro Max standing tall on a glass table, its screen glowing, the reflection dancing beneath it, flowers and plants adding a touch of nature's beauty around it. A perfect combination of technology and aesthetics. A shot so elegant, it doesn't just capture attention, it captures hearts. And that's exactly what this video is about. To bring you not just a product, but an experience. To bring you not just a phone, but a dream. So, my dear viewers, if you felt the power of this masterpiece, if you felt the excitement, the passion, and the energy, then don't just watch silently. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and most importantly, smash that subscribe button right now. Because here on ProMonk, we bring you the future, we bring you the innovation, and we bring you the magic of technology in the most powerful way possible. Remember, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just a phone, it's a revolution, it's a dream, it's the heartbeat of millions. And today, you've witnessed history. This is your chance to be part of the future. Don't just watch it. Own it, feel it, live it. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and always remember, the future is already here, and it fits right in your hand. Thank you for watching, thank you for believing, and thank you for being part of this journey. This is ProMonk, and I'll see you in the next video. Glowing Star Cell Phone Rocket.